Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I just got back from, talking to my UPS man, and I got myself a package. It's got my wife's name on it, but let's see what we got in here. Something I've been waiting for a long time. So let's check it out. So let me get a knife over here, and let's see what we got. I've been waiting for this for at least I don't know, a good couple weeks or whatever for this to come out. So let's check it out. Boom. This is the GoPro Hero 8. I've been waiting for this for, I don't know, a couple weeks, but yeah. I don't know. Some of you guys might know this, but I use my phone to do all my my video capture and all my editing. Because why not? One of my good friends, he was telling me when I first started the channel, he was just like, "Yo, dude, just use your phone. It's got a good camera, good mic, good everything like that." So that's what I've been kind of using. So my whatever, how many other, I don't know, 8, 9 videos that I got or whatever, have all been on my phone. So, and they've been coming out pretty good, so I can't really complain. But this hopefully will, it'll go to, I'll take it to the next level. Just because I really wanted something that was going to be good and have a good mic, because obviously, like, our phones have great mics, they have great cameras. So, my phone shoots in 1080p at 30 frames per second or something like that. So this is supposed to do, look at that, 4K at 60 frames per second. So I don't have anything 4K. I don't know if I'm gonna get anything 4K, like TV wise or anything. My Xbox is not an Xbox One X, so it doesn't shoot, it doesn't play in 4K. So I'm not really missing anything crazy. Even though prices are coming down, maybe I might get a 4K. I don't know. I have no idea. But I really wanted to get this mainly because of the media mods that it's got. So what that is the GoPro Hero itself. It has a good mic and it has a screen at the back. Well, which I'll show you in a minute. It has it can do all of these other things. So you can buy this media mod thing, and it comes with an external shotgun mic. And something else I really wanted is what my phone does is that I flip the screen so that I'm seeing me, so that I know I'm in frame. I know, what I'm kind of looking for. And, that's what I kind of look for. And with the media mod for this thing, I can actually do that. But, let's rip this bad boy open and let's see what we got here. All right. See what's in the box. Yeah, but see, this is all the specs here. Like, if you ever want to look at your GoPro online, this is kind of what it is. Shoots at 4K at 60 frames per second. 1080p at 420. 8K slow-mo. That's pretty good. And if you've seen any of my other videos, you'll see that I play really heavy with the time-lapse stuff. I really like it. It gets my point across without, like, sacrificing video quality, I feel. So, how do you get this thing open? I usually do that a lot. So, I'm going to just rip this freaking thing open. I don't know. How do you do this? I don't want to, like, rip it, but I think I'm going to have to. All right, there we go. So, after ripping the box open, it's a really nice box, but still, put that over to the side. But, wow. It looks good. I like it a lot. One of the things I really did like about this, and I told the wife when we were ordering this, is that, it's a camera, but it's got this, you don't need to buy, like, an external, like, thing to hook it onto. Like, it's its own mount. like, so, which is pretty awesome. But I like that it has a screen at the back, and like, you can kind of see yourself. But again, there's no front facing kind of deal, which is kind of what I really wanted. So the media mod that you can buy for these things, you know, you can have a you know, shotgun mic, it sits over here, or a flip up screen so you can see yourself, just like I do with my camera now. But yeah, there's really not much in the box except for, you know, a mount, USB cable to, looks like a Type-C, and a battery. So, and you have the mount up top. But there's really not much to it. But I cannot wait to start messing around with this thing, just because I've been waiting for a while to get this, and you know, what it can do. It looks like it's going to be a game changer, hopefully for the channel, and hopefully I can get some pretty good footage with it. But you know, stay tuned, and we'll see what it kind of looks like. All right, everybody. So coming to you from the new GoPro Hero 8. I don't know how this is going to be, so I'm really kind of testing it. But the good thing is that I can see everybody on my phone, you know, which is pretty cool. So I kind of don't need the, you know, the picture facing me. So maybe I might not need the, you know, the media mod for that. But I think I might just need the shotgun mic, but we'll definitely see. But everything that I kind of see on the video so far, I actually really like. So I'm gonna give this a shot. I'm gonna take some videos, some stills, and you know, in the future, hopefully I'll do a lot more videos with this, and you know, we'll see what the time lapse looks like. It has night time lapse, so yeah, we'll see what the future holds for this thing. But you know, stay tuned. So every other video that just check in the description. Every video that I'm gonna have from now on, except for my very next video, is gonna be from this GoPro Hero 8. So let me know how it shoots, and you know, hopefully I'll see you on the next one. Deuces.